I'm back! Hey everyone, I'm Fergie and I'm here to tell you that Bravo have just launched their new business app upgrade.
Whee!
This new upgrade is filled with new exciting premium features to take your app to the next level. It is perfect for content creators, small businesses or entrepreneurs who want to offer content behind a payment wall and monetize their app.
Awesome!
The premium features that I'll be demonstrating are how you can set up a payment subscription using RevenueCat. This prompts your users to upgrade to a paid subscription account. How you can set up one-to-one and group chats using Comet Chat. The new Google Analytics integration, which allows you to analyze how your users are using your app. And finally, how you can integrate with Facebook event tracking. So stay tuned and subscribe for my upcoming video series where I walk you through these awesome upgrade features that I just know you are going to love.